today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Suzette stitch. It makes the most beautiful blankets and scarves and anything you like really, and it's such a simple stitch. It creates a really beautiful fabric, it has a really nice texture to it, and it's a pretty solid stitch. I'm going to be using Yarn Smith's Nirvana Aran weight yarn today and a 5.5mm hook, but you can use any yarn and hook that you like. Just match your hook to the recommended size on your yarn ball band depending on what you're making. So I'm going to start with a slip knot on my hook, and you need to chain a multiple of 2s, so just count in 2s. 1 2 1 2 1 2. So just keep going in 2s until your chain is as wide as you want your project to be. So we're going to start by putting a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So it's 1 2, and then we're going to put a double crochet into that same stitch. We're going to skip the next stitch and put a single crochet in the following stitch, and a double crochet in that same stitch. We're going to repeat this across, so skip one, single crochet in the next, double crochet in the same stitch, skip one, single crochet in the next, and a double crochet in there as well, all the way to the end. So I've got 2 stitches left. I'm going to skip the next stitch, and in that last stitch I'm going to put a single crochet, just a single crochet in this one. So that's the end of our foundation row. I'm going to chain 1 and turn. Now in that very first stitch we're going to put a single crochet and a double crochet. We're going to skip a stitch, and in the next stitch a single crochet and a double crochet, and this is the row that we're going to repeat. So skip one, single crochet and double crochet in the next stitch, skip one, single crochet and double crochet in the next stitch, all the way across. So when you get to the end of the row you're going to skip that next stitch and put a single crochet in that last stitch, then chain 1 and turn, and then we just start again, single crochet into the next stitch and a double crochet, skip 1, single crochet and a double crochet, and you just repeat that last row. That's the row that you repeat. It's so simple, and you will end up with something like this, which makes beautiful blankets or scarves or anything you like really. If you would like to learn more crochet stitches, then check out my stitch tutorial playlist right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.